Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. I am Soma from DCreato. Today in this video I'll show you how to add custom CSS in simple way in your Elementor free version. Yes, don't use any Elementor Pro. Two simple ways to add your custom CSS in your Elementor free version. Here in this video I'll show you step by step how to do that. So let's start the video. Alright, so as you can see that here is two buttons here in as master add-on, and second one is custom CSS. So this is the plugins we have to install, that is called master add-on, and we have to install one more plugin, that is custom CSS. So I'm going to the plugin section, and as you can see that here is Elementor Pro is deactivated now, but still I am using Elementor custom CSS in free version. So if I go to the button, click on the button and go to the advanced tab, and here is the custom CSS is available. If I close on this, then you can see the GoPro is available, that we have to purchase that here. So but I am using custom CSS. If I click expand this, then you can see the custom CSS is now here to use the buttons. So let's start the install of the plugins and step by step process how to make that. So at first I am deleting the whole CSS and then gonna update this. Alright, I am deleting the two buttons fully deleting these buttons and fully made it from scratch. I'll show you. So I am deleting the plugins also. So this is the plugins, we have to delete them. So I am deleting the plugins again, and here is the one more plugin, simple custom JS and CSS. So I am deleting also this plugin. Now go to the plugins, add new, and then search for master add-on. So this is the master add-ons plugin, we have to search for it. As you can see that here is the first plugin, that is 30,000 plus active installations with some positive ratings, and this is the most popular plugin for master Elementor. So we have to install and activate it. Click on install now button, and now start installing. Within few seconds I'll be back. So here is the plugin we have to activate now. Here is also install the plugin. So click on activate, and now you can also skip this. Also you can install one more plugins. So I'm gonna skip this, I don't need this. Now as you can see that here is welcome section, and go to the add-ons. So I'm going to the add-ons, then disable all settings, and then again go to the extensions and also disable all things. Now go to the add-ons, and you will see CSS, custom CSS, you will see custom CSS that is available in extensions. Here is the custom CSS available here. So you have to switch on this. Don't do anything, just switch on this custom CSS. Now go to the Elementor section, Elementor editor page, and reload this page. After refreshing this page, also I am refreshing this page because we deleted these two buttons. Here you can see the buttons has gone. Now go to the CSS Elementor editor page. Now place one button. So as usual, place one button here. Now at first of all, in the first part we will see how to add the custom CSS with Elementor with master add-ons. Then in the second part we will see how to add the custom CSS in custom JS and CSS plugins. So also you can see that here is Elementor Pro is deactivated now. If I hover over on it, a GoPro option is available here. You can confirm about that Elementor Pro is deactivated. Now go to the Elementor and go to the advanced tab, and here is also custom CSS. So if I expand this, it is also not available to use that. Now you can see that the custom CSS, after installing the master add-ons plugin, the custom CSS is added in our Elementor's bar. So here is the custom CSS. You can target the element and you can use that. If I target element like selector, and if I running the CSS code Elementor button, and if I write some code like this background color, and if I writing which color do you want to use, like red, so it will gonna be red. Now if I'm writing blue, it will work. As you can see that this is working fine. So if I'm gonna made the hover, so I'm copying the code again and then again paste it, and if I'm hovering, add some hover sections like that. So now if I'm writing background color again, and now make it to red. So if I'm hovering now, as you can see that the blue color is gonna red. Now go to the border style tab and give some border dash to 0. Also you can give 5 pixel border dash. Also you can change everything as you can do except the text color and the background type. sorry, you can also change the text color also. You can change the text color, but you don't change the background type or color, everything, or hover in the background color. So you can also change the text color also. All is now fine. I'm gonna update this and refresh this page again. So that's cool. We have added the custom CSS without using the Elementor Pro in the simple method, just installing one plugin, and there is go. The custom CSS is now available in our Elementor free version. Now I'm gonna delete this plugin and we'll next step the second method. So I'm deactivate this plugin, skip and deactivate, and now delete this plugin and click on the add new. At first refresh this page, so the codes will be gone almost, and the refresh also this page. So if I'm just click on this pen icon, then go to the advanced tab and custom CSS. Here is no custom CSS available here, and I'm going to delete this button from here and update this and refresh this page again. So here is nothing available. Now go to the plugin section and add some custom plugin, that is custom CSS and JS. So if I am writing this custom CSS, so here is the plugin called simple custom CSS and JS, that is 4 lakhs plus active installations. So you have to click on install now, and after installing it is also installed faster, so it will make few seconds. So it is now installed and activated, ready to activate. So I'm click on activate it. You can also add JS in this custom plugin. So I'm click on the all custom code, and now if I'm delete this, I also write this before, that's why it is showing. So I'm deleting the whole custom. Now after installing the plugin, you will see this type of interface. So click on add CSS code. Now given some title like button CSS, and remove this all codes. Now I'm gonna publish this. So I will recommend you to install the first method, apply the first method, because it is so easy to use. But in the second method also easy if you know some coding skills or something, but I'll show you step by step. So place one button as usual, then just update it, nothing to do, just update it, then refresh this page. So after refreshing this, here is the button here. So I'm changing the text to look better understand. If I'm writing custom CSS like that, and then update this. After updating, so you will see the custom CSS button is here. Here is I'm hovering, so it will gonna orange to blue sky color something. So now click on the right button and then click on inspect, and now after inspecting, here is the Elementor button link, here is the Elementor wrapper and the Elementor widget container. So you have to target the A, like this is the button, you have to target the button, Elementor button link button. So now if you see that it is the plus icon, so click on the plus icon, and now it is the code we have to target. And if I am targeting the code like this, sorry, it's small background color, and now if I am changing to red, so automatically it is changeable to red. So as you can see that here is just after updating the background color, it is also changed the background color. If I'm hovering now, it will not work because I'm adding custom CSS. So at first copy this code, CSS code, from there to this bracket, copy this CSS code, then cross this and go to the custom button CSS. As you can see that the custom JS and plugins we have installed before. So paste the code here. Now update this. After updating, don't do this in Elementor editor page, just refresh this main page. So it will, after refreshing this page, I'm gonna refresh again and again, but it will not gone because the custom CSS plugins is also working. So you can also do that from the first method. In the first method you can do custom CSS, add custom CSS. Also you can apply the second method. I'll suggest you to do that from the first method. It is also easy to use. And if I am adding some hover now, if I am just copying the code again and entering some hover effect, hover, and then again background color like that, background color, and then if I am writing black and update this, don't forget to click on the update button. It will also if you do not update, so it will not work. So after refreshing this page, if I am hovering now, it will go on black. So this is two easiest or simple method to add custom CSS in your Elementor free version. I'll suggest you to use the first method, that is master add-ons plugins. It will be so easy to use and also working fine. So that's for the video, and if you will helpful this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe this channel to get more notified about Elementor WordPress, and don't forget to click on the notification bell icon to get the first notification of this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching.